What is up, guys? Good morning. We have been blessed with another nice day today. Nice. I have got something exciting for you today. I don't know if you remember last week, but we painted the tyre letterings on my car using a tyre pen. It was all good, cheap, nice and easy to do. However, it didn't last very long. Literally as soon as I drove it off, it started cracking and it got dirty and it was hard to clean. Anyway, I posted it on Instagram and Tyre Wall Stickers hooked us up with some legit tyre stickers, and we are going to be fitting that on the car today. So what comes in the kit that they send us is that it comes with the installation guide. It tells you how to clean, prep the tyre, how to apply the adhesive and sticking it on the tyre. It also comes with obviously the stickers. They send a pair for each tyre, so there's 8 of them. It also comes with an adhesive gel, and obviously the tyre cleaner arrived super quick. I literally ordered it and then within the next day it was in my post box. So yeah, let's go and fit these. I spoke to the guys at Tyre Wall Stickers. They recommend taking the wheels off the car to fully clean it. So that's what we're going to do. Lift the car up and take the wheels off. We'll do 2 either side and then we'll go on from there. Now taking off the wheels off, we've washed it with hot soapy water and dried it. That's according to the guide that they've sent us. I've cleaned it as well. We painted the tyre writing on the tyres using a tyre pen, and I took that off yesterday using a paint thinner and also one of these, a sponge, but using the back of the sponge. Now I just lightly rubbed it a couple of times and it's come off quite nicely. On the guide, the first step is to actually says to sand down the surface just to make it all level and just to allow more abrasion as well. So we're just gonna quickly do that. Just give the tyre So the second step of the guide is to use the tyre cleaner that they provided. I think this is made of alcohol, 70% alcohol, and I'm just using a random rug, dirty rug that you don't use anymore, your old boxes, whatever. You dirty pig! So I'm just going to give the surface a nice quick wipe, and it says give it a wipe until the rug doesn't go black anymore. It's all nice and clean. So they've only sent this, not a lot, got 4 more tyres to go, so we need to use this sparingly. Judging by the smell, this is actually acetone that they've sent to us, which is also good as well. So by using these, it just gets rid of all of the oils and dirts on the tyre to allow better sticking, really. So I've just switched up cloths because the other one had a lot of lint on it. On the guide it says to try and use lint-free cloths just to stop the lint sticking on there. So I'm just gonna sacrifice this microfiber cloth, I'm so sorry, and use this for cleaning. So I think we have cleaned this enough now. I can probably eat off there, it's that clean, and because it's sticking as well, so that's good. And then we'll sort out the fitting for the stickers now. Guys, we've got a problem. They sent us the wrong spelling. No, I'm joking. I'm also just gonna give the back of the tyre stickers a quick abrasion just so it sticks properly. So what they've said on the guide is to get yourself a masking tape, stick it on top of this, so when you're putting the adhesive you can just flip it back, put the adhesive on and flip it back again. So I'm just going to align it properly now. All looks good to me, so now we'll put our masking tape on. Same on this one as well. Like that. So what we could just do theoretically is flip it that way, put our adhesive on and flip it back. That is now all done. We're just going to let it dry. I've stuck a few masking tapes on just to make sure it's fully stuck on. So just give it a nice firm press and then we're just going to let that dry. I switched up with the Crocs. My digits were getting cold. Look at that. Oh yeah. Damn son. Are so friggin' nice. I am so happy with them. I can't thank Tyre Wall Stickers enough for sending these out. Thank you very much, Tyre Wall Stickers, for hooking me up with these. These are so sick and it looks so nice on the car. I am so happy with that. I cannot thank Tyre Wall Stickers enough. Go check them out. They are so good. Honestly, check them out right now. So guys, that is now one side of the car done. We need to get going and get the other side done as well. So guys, we are now all fully done. All of the tyres are all fitted and secured. But look how nice they look. I am so happy with it. I'm just literally over the moon. Look how clean they are, honestly. They are so nice. They did send out Pirellis as well that I could put on the other side, but I thought I'll just leave the P0s as it is and see what they feel like. But gosh, they are so nice. So I'm just going to leave it to dry for a few hours or so. I cannot thank Tyre Wall Stickers enough for sending these out. Thank you so much, Tyre Wall Stickers. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching.